All right, I've shot this on I don't know how many times, but welcome to the show. This is take like 500. I don't know, not that many. Anyway, I'm actually already done with trading for the day. I thought I did this beforehand. Apparently, I didn't hit the save button, so I'll do it again. Only I already know what happened today. Wasn't that interesting. I did okay, but it was more my discipline wasn't there, and that's something I definitely need to work on. I do want to take a few minutes though to talk about like all the people from all over the world that come to the United States for the World Cup. Is awesome. Seeing the videos that are going around of people coming here and having a great time, enjoying the hospitality. I've been seeing a lot of stuff about the Scottish up in Boston, and just from what I'm seeing, it looks like they're having a great time. Everyone's getting along, and that is truly awesome to see. Really loving those videos from all the Europeans. Uh, I do not live in an area that I think we're going to have any World Cup games around here or anywhere near, and I really don't think I would want. I I don't like crowded places. That's anarchy, but it's cool to see other people doing. Uh, what else? Albania. Wow, really like Albania. See, they have some issues going down with some Israeli-owned companies there. Listen, my current knowledge said I got nothing against Israel. Haven't seen them do anything. They may be bad. They may be good. I don't know. That's neither here nor there for this. But they had an issue with some Israeli-owned businesses, and apparently they took that problem to the businesses and the prime minister of the country's house to get addressed at the same time or at similar times. And apparently that is getting addressed very quickly. Really cool to see kind of revolts working when needed. Ireland, I see you're doing your thing over there. Maybe get a little more targeted. I understand you know, from what I'm reading and seeing in Northern Ireland, they're kind of targeting the people they want out. Whether you agree with the decision or not, that's their country. If they want people out, they want people out. I mean, it's what it is. So yeah, that's really cool to see. Had the UFC fight on the White House lawn. That was, I will say, seeing the videos of that I don't watch a lot of TV, so seeing the videos of that this morning, definitely really cool. Seeing the stuff that happened there, a lot of funny things happened there. So, but stay tuned. I was thinking we were going to see a jump in the market this morning because of the news between Iran and the United States reading a peace deal, signing that. I know it's not 100% complete yet, but from what we're hearing of it, sounds like we got what we wanted, and well, they can shut up. So that's pretty awesome. Uh, yeah, let's see what happens. I lack a lot of discipline, make a little money. Let's have fun. All right, guys, how's it going? Uh, Monday morning, got a little bit of work in already. It's 9 o'clock. Some trades, and of course, NVDA is playing with my. If you look now, yeah, 400 shares. Here's my stop. Here's my limit. I had to lower my stop uh, a lot, which was probably dumb. I don't know. Probably shouldn't do it. But my initial stop loss was way too narrow. It was too volatile. It was bouncing around. I got worried. So I ended up lowering my stop loss down. Uh, I put my sell point at 210.50. We look at this on a bigger scale. Let's say that's 20 days. The last 3 days, we've been able to go above this. So I think hoping to get in right there. We'll see though. Keep you guys up to date. Hopefully today turns a positive day. All right, guys. It is 9:37 where I am at. I have 2 orders out there. These are my last 2 for the day, more than likely. Uh, whenever they finish, I'm pretty sure the SpaceX is going to rally, hit my sell point a little bit there. Uh, NVIDIA they're being a pain. Really are. I want to see them go up here, and I think they're going to hit it today. It's going to take some hours. It's going to take some hours to see this little hump here, but I think we're going to hit it. And same here. I think I'm going to hit my goal here today. Be able to move on with some trades I have made. Currently it says my profit loss right now is $524, but that's changing every second with this stuff right here. I will tell you on one of my AMD, I got 1200, about 1200 bucks this morning on AMD off their spike. And I was just watching the market really close, right at open. I expected to see AMD rise up because I just expect to see a boost in the economy from the Iran peace deal that is signed. So I expected to see an overall boost in the economy. And AMD's been a player that's been had a lot of movement lately, so it's kind of hedged my there. Uh, Not everything I did today turned out great. Broadcom lost a couple hundred over at Broadcom. They're kind of a real pain. I keep saying they're a real pain. That's not the case. I think I know what's going to happen, and I'm wrong. But this is called that to be very difficult. But I will let you guys hopefully soon. Yeah. All right, guys. So I am done for the day. And what you see on the screen is I took my exported the account statement and the balance statement and all that, and I fed that in the chat GPT to get a grade for the day. And I'm going to share that with you guys. So this is a paper account. This is not real money. I started with a little under 100K, made, what is it, $977 today before fees, lost $10.32 in fees. Rate of return was almost 1%. I'm going to say that's not good, but that's only a couple hours work in the morning. So that's round trips 10. Winners and losers came out 50% today. So yeah, big problems though. I did go margin size, messing around with AMD. I went into the margins, which is not realistic for count. So while I did make a good amount today, I lost a little bit. Lost with NVDA, and I think Broadcom was another one that I lost a decent amount with. Uh, is what it is. So, did I see a profit today? Yes, I did. Am I really happy with it? ChatGPT gave me a B minus for the day. So, what can I say? I guess for someone who's been doing this for like a weeks, I guess that's good. Here. So, profits, A minus, risk control, C. Apparent. So, I'm really bad at like when I go to put in my brackets. I'm more of a visual person, and I like to see them on the screen with the charts before. But I have to put them in numerically with this. So maybe I can find a way to put them in a little bit different, where I can see it on the screen and it's easier for me to visualize than just putting in numbers and going. Uh, Position sizing, yeah, sucked at that. D plus. Talked about that whole margin thing. Discipline, trade management, B minus. I don't know why I said that. Discipline, that's C, that sucks. And I'll tell you that right here. It's AVGO, that's Broadcom. I went long on them, lost. Seemed like I should short them, and I lost again. I shorted them just for the aspect of trying to get my money back, have a better profit loss for the day, and that's how you apparently get your butt kicked in the market. So tomorrow I would like to cap myself to 1 to 2 symbols, and no trade should be big enough to push your cash balance negative. It's a good idea. I think we can go with that tomorrow. I think I'm going to reset my account, see how low of I should be able to get like 15,000, 10 or $15,000 limit on there now. So if I can do that, I'm going to reset my account to something really low tomorrow and see how long it takes me, or if I can take an account from say 10,000 to, and how long is that going to take me uh, as a new trader, or will I fail? I don't know. Let me know in the comments. You think it's a good idea? I think it might be fun.